Hindi pa lang totoo yung sinasabi ni Brother Alex at bibigay ng short blessings. I thought it was not serious. Anyway, I would like to congratulate Brother Alex and Rubian and the rest of the BREMS members for your persistence and determination for the last 25 years. For your commitment. I just would like to have this short message for you, all BREMS members. I would like at this time to say that in this digital age, social media age, a lot of young people, young adults especially, have already taken for granted their parents, whether successful or not. They have taken for granted their parents. So, if you really want to love God more, I suggest that you treat your parents well. I am 80 years old.
Oh!
Probably the oldest tonight. So I have seen a lot of young people, young adults, young parents who have lost respect for their parents. Either they deny that they are part of the family. So tonight, I would like to encourage and admonish all BREMS members, young adults, married adults, to please include in your mission, in your seminars, in your outreach program, in teaching the fourth commandment of God. I'm sure you know the fourth commandment of God. Honor thy father and thy mother.
Yeah.
As we all know, this is the only commandment with a promise of a long life, and that all may go well for you. And so, my friends, itong gabing ito, I would not have wasted my time going here if you will make it a part of your mission seminar to teach this. Because I have seen a lot of children who refuse to take care of their parents. They said they have no time. Nung kami mga nag-aalaga sa inyo, karga-karga namin kayo. Maglalaro, mamamasal, dala-dala. Kaya dadapos ka, karga-karga sa likod. Kung maaari lang, kung saan yung lakad namin, kasama kayo. Kahit na hirap kami magdala. But at this time, pagkatapos, when you reach your age, naging successful, naging mature, supposed to be, you don't, or you have lost respect for your father and your mother. Sana itong gabi ito, merong mapuksan ang puso sa mga narito ngayong gabi. To look back, payback. It's payback time. Payback time. If you really want to be successful, reach out to your father and your mother. When was the last time you visited your parents? Baka naman over-committed kayo sa BREMS, wala na kayong oras sa inyong mga parents. Wala kayong oras to do the household chores, maghugas ng plato, magluto ng pagkain, maglampaso sa bahay. Just because you are a part of the Braves, committed with the activities of the Braves. Take time to help your parents, your father and your mother. And this is the only commandment with a promise. So sana, Brother Alex, I hope from this day on, you will make this fourth commandment a part of the information campaign or be a model so that these other young people will see how the Braves have responded to the fourth commandment. Sana itong gabi ito, pag uwi ninyo, mayakap man lang ninyo yung mga magulang. Napakahirap kung minsan sisigawan ka ng anak mo. Kayo mga parents na nandito, nakita ko kanina may mga mothers dito. Nasubukan naman ninyong sinisigawan kayo ng mga anak nyo. Sabihin, naku, mahirap. Napakakulit mo, dahil mukha kang pera.
Wow.
Yan ang mahirap isabihin sa iyo, mukha kang pera ng anak mo. Dahil ikaw ay matipid. Kailangan kang magsikap to provide. And that's for the fathers. Good provider, good protector. And you would like to assure the family that there is something in store for them. Come rainy season, stormy season. Sana meron may lalabas pagdating ng pangangailangan. Yan ang mga magulang. So, kung meron man sa inyo, I hope tonight, when you reach home, embrace your dad, embrace your mom, and express and show the love that they have been longing for, that they have been wanting for. When was the last time you said, I love you, Mom. I love you, Dad. So, maraming salamat. Ito man lamang ang aking may sishare ngayong gabi. God be with you.